Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. First we'll look at DXY dollar index, then look at the economic calendar for today. Then we'll start with the analysis. I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels, which you can use it as a reference for deciding on your entry and exit on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in dollar index now. When we look at the price action in dollar index, yesterday it has gone up to the level of 96.003 and it has fallen from this level, and currently you can notice that it is forming into a double top pattern and trend is on the bearish side. And also we know that currently it is trading in a resistance area. Only when it breaks this resistance area, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Currently it is in a bearish trend reversal. Even if it falls, we can expect it to taking support at the level of 95.390 and range bound market to continue. Dollar index is inversely related to gold. So if the dollar index goes up, we can expect the gold to come down. Let us look at today's economic calendar. So at 7:30 AM we have a medium impact news on New Zealand dollar, and as we come down on British pound we have medium impact news at 12:30 PM, and as we scroll down we have low impact news in British pounds also. Then at 8:30 PM we have US dollar news, which is a medium impact news, and low impact news are more today. Let us start with the gold chart analysis. So I am in daily time frame now, and we already know that currently the price action is moving within a symmetric triangle pattern and there is no direction in this market, and it is trading within this resistance and support level of symmetric triangle pattern and consolidating and moving on a sideways. And I have drawn the support line or the trend line over here, and every time the price action tests this trend line, you can notice that it bounces and bullish trend reversal happens. In yesterday's analysis, I had mentioned that every time when the price action tests this neckline of the previous price action, trend reversal always happens, and here also we were expecting a trend reversal yesterday, and you can notice that trend has taken resistance at the level of 1837 and a bearish trend reversal has happened. So it is working according to the analysis we had done yesterday. But it doesn't mean that bearish trend reversal has happened. Up to this level of 1812, it's still in a bullish trend. So we can expect the price action to trend down, take support at the level of 1812 and again bounce back. Still the bearish trend has not started in this currency pair. Only the price action got rejected at the level of 1837 and it is in a retracement. This is all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame, and currently the price action is trading within the 1837 and support level of 1812, and within this it is still in a very nice bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. As mentioned earlier also, I have drawn a parallel line or the channel pattern over here. So every time price tests this level, we had noticed that trend reversal had happened. This level also it tested this support line and bounced back. And here when we notice the price action, it tested this resistance line and the resistance level of 1837. Momentarily it has broken this, but you can notice that trend reversal has happened. So this channel pattern is still holding strong and preventing the market from going on the bullish side. Currently the price action is taking support on the support level of 1825. Here we have seen a spike on the bearish side also. So we can expect the price action to retest this level of 1821, and if the bearish trend is still stronger, we can expect it to trend further down on the bearish side and test the next level of support, which is going to be around 1812. Previously also we have noticed the price action coming down, then sharply rising on the bullish side. So we can expect the similar price action repeating here. After testing this support level of 1812, we can expect a sharp rise on the bullish side. As long as the support level of 1812 is holding, it is still in a bullish trend. Currently the price action has given a breakout from this channel pattern or the resistance area. So we can expect a further fall. But overall, when we analyze the trend of the market in hourly time frame, it is still in a very nice bullish trend. Only when the price action breaches this support level of 1812, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. And we have the higher time frame, daily time frame trend line or the support line running over here. So we can expect the price action to trend down, take support on this support line and to bounce back on the bullish side. We also know that price couldn't break this neckline of the previous price action and a trend reversal has happened. So this area, the blue color marked area, will be acting as a very strong resistance in the future price actions also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values marked in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Previously the price has moved up to the level of 1821, so we can expect the current price action to come down and test this level of 1820. Then if the bearish trend is still stronger, we can expect a further fall and test the next level of support, which is going to be around 1812. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, previously the price action was trading in a bullish channel pattern or the parallel line. I had drawn the support line over here, and currently when we notice the price action, it has given a breakout from the trend line or the support line, and it has broken the channel pattern from the hourly time frame also, and it is in a very strong bearish trend. So when the price action bounces back also, this blue color line will be acting as a very strong resistance line for the future price action. So the current price action in 30 minutes time frame is in a bearish trend reversal. Only when the price action breaks this support level of 1812, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has given breakout from this support line or the support area, which is around 1825, and it is in a bearish retracement for now. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. We have the higher time frame resistance levels over here and the support level of 1812 over here. Currently the price action has taken resistance at the trend line or the resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame and has broken this support line also from the 30 minutes time frame and also the support level of 1825, and it is in a very nice bearish retracement. Currently the price action is trying to break the previous lows, and if the previous low is broken, we can expect the continuation of this bearish retracement. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So the values in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a very nice downtrend and taking resistance on this resistance line or the trend line. So only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect a bullish trend reversal. And even if the bullish trend reversal happens, we have the higher time frame resistance lines running over here. So we can expect a consolidation happening around this area if the bullish trend reversal happens. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button to show your support and share this video with your friends.